Welcome back, my name is Dak, and today at the Brew Tank we're racking the peach melomel. Let's get started. As always, we start off by sanitizing our workspace. Okay, so our supplies today is our siphoning can, some fresh star sands, tongs, an empty sterile 1-gallon carboy, a stool or something to elevate your carboy, your peach mead, 3-piece airlock, and a 6.5 stopper. Also, if you want to take a gravity reading, you'll need a hydrometer, graduated cylinder, and either a wine thief or a large baster. Next, we will set up our melomel for siphoning. Always make sure to elevate your primary carboy above your secondary carboy you are transferring to. Gravity will do the rest once you get it started. Before I drop this in and start to siphon, we'll take a sample to see where the flavor's at and get my final gravity reading. Now this one did come out dry. It fermented fully through, and it has a little bit of bite to it. I might back sweeten this later, or I'll turn this into a spritzer using peach crush soda. After we've discussed the taste, I'm going to attach a can using the side clip. Once that's in place and adjusted an inch above the lees, let's get to siphoning. Now I'd like to come back and refine this a little bit more because I do like peaches. It's gonna have to be on the sweet side though. Well, that's all for today. This will end up staying in here for just a few days before I go ahead and bottle to clear some. Thanks for joining me for some siphoning, and I hope some of you out there give a peach melomel a shot. Hit me with a like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I hope to hear you try out your own peach mead in the comments section below. Happy brewing! Cheers!